I am from Africa. You know Africa? I am from Africa.
Tata, you know?
Sudan, Africa. Yes. Africa, Sudan. Okay. Hello, good morning guys. Good morning Nepal. Namaste. Your African boy here, Gabs Gabi. And they said in Nepali, good morning is Suba Prabhat, right? So Suba Prabhat guys. So it's my first time in Nepal, Kathmandu guys, and I'm just so curious to know much more about the Nepali, like the lifestyle. And my brother is that side, they are so scared of me. I don't know, because it is his first time to see this African here. I'm from South Sudan guys. Just so happy, and it's my first time to be in Nepal. And you can see that side guys, it's like this is the airport guys. This is where I arrived guys. Let me just zoom it. This is backside view. I can see some plane there guys, you see? Yes, this is Nepal. This is Nepal airport guys. And I'm in the backside of the Nepal airport. They call it Tribhuvan, right? Tribhuvan Nepal airport guys. Beside there is Tribhuvan airport. And yeah, let's just I was like, it's morning now guys. It's morning around 7 o'clock guys. And you can see from the way I'm wearing, you can understand the weather. But I'm also not feeling that cold, because I choose to come around March, because they say it is the best time, like March, April is the best time to visit Nepal, because you know Nepal also is known for their hills and mountains, as known as Himalayas guys. So it used to be very cold outside here guys. So it's good to come around March, April. You won't suffer that much from coldness guys, and you can explore anytime, and the weather is so friendly guys. So yeah, I can see that side guys. This there is a crashed plane guys down there. I don't know if you can zoom it, but I can see it. Yeah, that one, the white one near the tank, near the red tank guys. I see a crash flight there. So this is kind of a junction in between or behind the airport, and I can see another brother here just roaming randomly. And here, I don't know what's happening here, but this is something similar to the Indian culture guys, to the Indian culture. To the Indian culture guys, whereby this is kind of tradition, right? In India is something easy. Hello, it's something easy, and normally you will have to see it there guys. So they offer blessing, because I just came to know that in Nepal, like it is like 90, I can say 80% plus, like 80% above is Hindu religion. Hindu religion is the highest in Nepal, but they do also have Buddhism and something like Sikar. I don't know, but they call it Sikar. How many? Christian also. Nepal also have Christian religion, guys. Yeah, they say they have Christian religion, but I don't know the overall how many religions there are in Nepal, guys. You can tell me. Yeah. So this is the morning vibe, guys. The shops are still opening. But I don't know what's happening there. I'm just going to check. Yeah. For now, the weather is just super friendly, guys. It's nice. And yeah, you don't need to stress that much. I just saw something here. Hello, namaste, good morning. Yeah. Tea, huh? Chai. This is, can I have one piece? This. Yeah. I need one chai. Egg chai. So I don't know how they call it this one. And they have something another here. Mom, what's this one name? How do you call? Huh?
Nimki.
Nimki. Nimki, huh? And this one? Otare. Okay, okay. Yeah, good morning. Yeah, Nimki. We are starting the morning with Nimki. It's kind of Nepali snack where they used to take with tea. Yeah, I didn't eat anything in the morning so far, guys. Yeah, I want chai. I asked them to give me chai. Nimki. It is so crunchy. So crunchy. We have something similar like this in Africa whereby they call it gurgosh. It's kind of Arabic word, guys. I don't know if you will understand it, but they call it gurgosh. For us, we used to make this one from maida flour, kind of mixed with little sugar and just kind of salt. Yeah, nimki. They call it nimki. Yo, good morning, Subha Prapat, Nepal. Yeah, this is gonna be the first chai. This is the first chai of Nepal, guys, and gonna be the first taste on the street, guys. Yeah. So, ma'am, how much is the cup of tea in Nepali rupee? 25. Nepali, huh?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, so we're gonna taste the tea and we'll see. Okay, guys. Like there is very less. How do you call it? Like, okay, because I came from India. Like I just need to. I still remember the India chai. Like they used to put much more of masala, but this one is very less of masala, guys. I just let me have it again. The feel that I get from this one is like tea. It's chai, so it's just tea and milk. Yeah, tea and milk, guys. So I just want to start my day with this energetic chai, guys, because from here I'm planning to go to Bhaktapur, guys. I'm going to Bhaktapur and going to visit the King Palace. We are going to visit the King Palace. Yeah. Speak English?
No.
Oh, okay. What's your name? Timro Nam Ka Ho. Huh? Huh? Nikesh. Oh, Nikesh. Which class? LKG. Okay, this Nikesh. Nikesh, selfie, okay? Selfie, Nikesh. Selfie with Nikesh. You are?
This is my secondary school.
Your school name?
This is my English secondary.
Okay. Say any word in English. Any English word.
अर्को इङ्ग्लिस बोर्ड भन्दा
Say.
My principal का नाम माना ना? My principal name is.
Principal name is Sanjay.
And my mother name is.
My mother name is
Bhagwati
Bhagwati Chaulagai.
My father name
My father name
is.
is
Namraj Chaulagai.
Namraj Chaulagai.
अब sister का नाम माना था?
My sister name is Chachana.
Niruta.
Okay, great. Thank you. You speak well. Keep improving, okay? Learn every day. Speak English so that you will be international. You travel global, okay? Yeah, this is just a morning and I can see around, guys, there's a lot of dogs. A lot of dogs. a lot of nice dogs outside here, guys. Yeah. Yo. Yes. I am from Africa. You know Africa?
My name is
I am from Africa.
That's how you know?
Sudan, Africa. Yes. Africa, Sudan. Okay. How old are you?
Cha.
Six. Yeah. Wow, nice. So that one, which one they are making? That one?
So, what's your rate?
15 rupees. Only 15.
Which is that one? How? This one? This one? How much is one? 15 rupees, huh? And this one?
This one 400 rupees kg.
Kg. 400 rupees kg. Okay. They also make donut here. Get me one like this. This one. One. Okay, just keep. I will 1 minute. Okay. Yeah. Say something. Say. Tell me any story. Any Nepal famous story. No? I don't know how good Nepalese in English, but I think I have to make one video one day to interact with the people. Yeah, and this what used to be amazing, right? I'll try to do that. Huh?
iPhone.
No mobile. Your mobile? Show me. Your mobile. Your mobile iPhone, huh? Okay guys, so I'm done with the tea, guys. They were so friendly family, guys, so amazing people, and it wasn't boring with them. They made me to chat and to talk with them. Like, they look so curious also to know much more about me, guys. And yeah, I also got something here. I forgot the name, guys. I forgot the name of it, but let me just have a little bite. Oh, it's a snack. It's a dry snack. I thought maybe it will be soft or something like that, but it's not soft. This one only I got for 15 rupees. Yeah. This is first time eating Nepali snacks. But the first one I ate, guys, it's nice. The first one is nice. I like it, guys. And just wanted to show you the view of Kathmandu, guys. Kathmandu has a little similarity, guys, of Northeast India, because I've been to Northeast India, guys. So it's kind of a hilly, like little similar weather also, guys, and same similarity of the roads, because it looks it's having the same land, but I think Nepal have much more of what? Mountains, yeah, mountains and hill, because you know Nepal is the country with the what? With the highest mountain, the Everest mountain, right? Yeah, just see the movement, guys. I have to move up like this, a slope. It's a slope movement, guys, and this is so little bit tiresome. Yeah. but it's also good. It's good for health, guys. Yeah. So we are just exploring the Kathmandu view, and first time seeing the view like you see. I'm going up now. You can see the locality, guys. You can see the areas. It's nice. Yeah, from here I can see the airport, guys. So that is it, guys. I'll say goodbye for now, and we are planning to explore more places. Bye bye. Thank you.